In this short video, we will show you how to manage groups and students on the Gradebook. Open your digital product and access the Gradebook. Once inside, click on Manage Groups and Students. To create a group, enter a group name. You can also add a description. Then click on Add Group. A code will be generated for your group. You then need to give this code to your students so that they can add themselves to your group. You can edit or delete your group at any time by using the Edit and Delete buttons. You can also search for, edit, or delete students in the section Manage Students. When your students first use the Gradebook in their digital book, they will need to enter their name and the group code you have given them.